Biblical quotes I can spin like a C note. My voice impeccable. I just cleared my throat. I'm running for rap prayers. Y'all should get out and vote. My brother be stepping on the pavement. Cause God see the course, you know. He a wise king, older than 2 years old. Y'all was way too bold, doing the devil's work. Buy your quotes. We came over by boats, not surrounded by fire. But y'all wanna go with holes in my tire? Why should I praise the truth? I'm not a liar. You should never pray with fire. It's never satisfied. Too many blacks divide. This is no nationwide, so I provide skills that's untamed. Naming, praise the name of God. No shame, spitting legitimate quotes, godly texts. Catch a rat. Why y'all killing your brother for? Making fun of Nas cause he love the kids. The feds listening. How real is rap? This rap was kids. So many cats doing bids. Cause they thugs in their rap. Full of evil. Looking at Chicago, Michael Jordan, he can't even walk with his own people. That's why we all not equal. If you supply evil, you meet the wrong people. God's illest angel is the devil. Will you come to see you? And if you think he nothing for you, then that's why he got fired for. Keep the ass in line. You get burnt worse than any horse ever behind. Punch you because you couldn't listen. Selling crack to pregnant women. Crack pregnant women. Pregnant ladies. Stealing money from the Christians. Like you hard-bodied. Nothing harder than a shawty. I'd rather drink all of a 40. Chill with a shorty. The man will only support me if he poison me with medication. What the heck's wrong with this nation? You are my world, my number one girls. I compare you to diamonds and them pearls. You are my number one girl. Baby, I compare you to diamonds and pearls. I enjoy your smile. You make life worthwhile. You get high city style. Let's stay together for a while. You got the kind of love that make me say I'm done with girls. Look at the baby, diamonds and them pearls. Baby, share my world. You are my world, my number one girl. Baby, I compare you to diamonds and pearls. You are my world, my number one girl. Baby, I compare you to diamonds and pearls. Around you, I can't be myself. I can't do that round no one else. You're my diamond girl. Let's take a trip across the world. I just want to show you off. Make love to you in my loft. You make me feel hard, not soft. Peep the diamond ring that I bought. Pete, no!